As a team, we have really prepared. I would love to say we have prepared very well. We've been with the guidance of our strength and conditioning coach. We've been with our skill coaches for the past 3 weeks, and it wasn't a start because we've been playing tournaments behind, so it was just a part of sharpening on some of the blunt.
The previous tournaments, as I told you, they are preparing these ladies for the forthcoming World Cup qualifiers in December. So this is a preparation, or it is a pathway for us to make way for us to ease our qualification in December. So these games are preparing them mentally, physically, emotionally, in a way that by the time we reach December, they are ready to go and we are ready to qualify.
National team. Mama mutibala tinga aja unune kwenye just because anu aja utekede taule na papera kede idar isena ikiningoda aja unune so mbona nakutonga limo intunga kerlo rengesi aja utekede titing ina na de ndo wanikere remember kai be lodojo like a bolia maybe like a ilodojo ka like igeja bolia maybe ka disena upenglosi de making a team sena kuno
kapararinga opening batsman betting a lost stingy naked a go gong betting a chape mopira bali tone munarako udar akotonga a chape mopira tekese gente be abunti ngone asame business mamnga bunti jasa bolia narbon kutokesa gente be abongutu ngofomu nyakta ngo timu nara abet raingesi boy nemba kotongo da bongutu ngo team mera by mistake.
Take this opportunity to hand you over this flag as our sports ambassadors in the Okwibuka Memorial Tournament.
No.